Okay, let's finish off this last example. So the last example is example 2. And in these ones, we're going to be finding the slope of special lines. And I kind of already, ruined the surprise because I did show you the slope guy where we had a 0 fun mountain to ski on. And then we also had that flat mouth with the little dimples on the sides for a 0 slope. And we also saw the nose of Slope Man, whose nose was, the bottom was a U for undefined. And also on the mountain, if we were trying to ski down that, that would definitely be the ultimate like death. So we would not want to have that happen. So, emergency, that's an undefined slope. But I'm going to show you the math as to how that works. So I've added that super important reminder up there that slope is equal to rise over run. So if we were to look at this example A, of course, first of all, if you were just going to, identify the type of slope, you could see that it's a flat line. So you can probably already tell what the slope is going to be, but I'm going to show you, like I said, some of the mathematic reasons. So if you think about slope is a rise over a run. So to go from -1, 5 to 6, 5, there is no rise, so the rise would be 0. We could still find a run because to go from -1 up to 6 is going to be a change of +7. So if we just had a slope of 0 over 7, that's not impossible in the math world. We could have a slope of 0. 0 divided by anything is still going to be 0, right? So slope is 0. So that is the math as to why the slope is 0. And then let me show you for the other situation for undefined, why we call this undefined. So again, rise over run to find slope. So I'm going to look at my 2 points. And really, neither of them comes first because moving left to right, they're both equal when it comes to left to right. It's just going straight up and down. So when I think about my rise, I'm actually either falling or rising. You can't really tell, but that would be a change of 4. But then when I think about how far am I running, I'm not running anywhere. I'm staying at 4. So my running is 0. So in the mathematics world, we are not allowed to multiply by 0. So this is why we call it undefined. So whenever you see a line that has a slope that is flat, it's going to be a slope of 0. And anytime that it is straight up and down, remember you wouldn't want to go for a ski on that. That's undefined because it is not good news. So go ahead and try number 1 and 2 on your own. I don't think they'll be too difficult. And be sure to turn in your notes when you are all finished so you can get credit for them.